Jack was once a man who struggled with his weight. He would often feel self-conscious about his appearance, avoiding social gatherings and exercising only when necessary. However, one day he decided to make a change. With determination in his heart, Jack started working out every day, pushing himself to his limits and beyond. At first, the changes were subtle. His energy levels increased, and he found himself enjoying activities that once left him breathless. But as time passed, the results became more apparent. His muscles grew stronger, his body leaner, and his confidence soared. People began to take notice of Jack's transformation, complimenting him on his new physique and asking for advice on how they, too, could achieve such a feat. But Jack's journey wasn't just about physical changes, it was also a mental one. He learned to embrace his body and love himself for who he was, rather than trying to fit into societal standards of beauty. He stopped comparing himself to others and focused on his own progress, celebrating every small victory along the way. As Jack continued to push himself, he discovered new passions and hobbies that he never knew existed. He found joy in running, cycling, and weightlifting, and even started competing in local races and tournaments. His transformation not only improved his health, but also gave him a sense of purpose and fulfillment that he had been missing for so long. Today, Jack is a testament to the power of determination and hard work. He inspires others with his story, showing them that they too can achieve their fitness goals and find happiness along the way. His transformation is a reminder that it's never too late to make a change, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem, and that with persistence and dedication, anything is possible. What was Jack's initial struggle before he started working out? Before starting his fitness journey, Jack struggled with his weight and felt self-conscious about his appearance. He avoided social gatherings and only exercised when necessary. What motivated Jack to make a change in his life? Determination and a desire for a better quality of life motivated Jack to start working out and making healthier choices. How did Jack's transformation affect his confidence? As Jack's body changed, so did his confidence. He became more self-assured and started enjoying activities that once left him breathless. What new passions and hobbies did Jack discover during his fitness journey? Through his transformation, Jack discovered new passions and hobbies such as running, cycling, and weightlifting. He even started competing in local races and tournaments. What is the main message that Jack's story conveys to others? Jack's story conveys the message that it's never too late to make a change, and that with persistence and dedication, anything is possible. His transformation serves as an inspiration to others who may be struggling with their own fitness goals or self-doubt.